Today we're going to talk about how to make iced tea two different ways. The first way we're going to do is cold brew. You're going to start with a tablespoon size spoon, and you're going to scoop 3 tablespoons worth of tea per half-gallon jar. The jar that we're using there is a half-gallon size ball jar. Now you want to scoop 3 even scoops flat at the top, and then you're going to add just some cold tepid water from your faucet, or if you have a purifier, just add water, room temperature water, into the jar. Now you want to fill this jar completely up, but we ran out of water. We filled it late. You then want to take and add the name of the tea and the date that you're making it, and mark that it's cold brew, and just place it into your refrigerator and let it sit for 24 hours. And then you're going to take the tea and you're going to strain it out. So this is 24 hours later, and you're going to notice that it's a lot lighter than if you hot brewed it. We also use a funnel with a strainer in it. You can get these at a brew store, and just another jar, another half-gallon jar. And it's as simple as opening the lid and dumping the tea over the funnel and into the second jar. Now this tea will last cold brew about 3 to 4 days. You should consume it in less than a week because it has been made cold brew in your refrigerator. And you just want to keep that stored in your refrigerator and enjoy it. The next way that we're making tea today is a hot brew method. Same spoon, about a tablespoon. And this one is our lemon ginger turmeric. Again, you want to do flat scoops and dump them into the half-gallon jar. We're going to do 3 of those. If your tea turns out too strong, you can always pull back on the amount of tea that you're adding in and make it a little bit less strong. Now with this one, we're using a hot water temp up to whatever the back of the package says, or the suggested temp for that tea. This one is a boiling temperature, and so we brought our water to boiling and poured it over. Now you are going to add your lid to this, and make sure that you add your the name and the date that you're making it. This tea can sit on the counter until it comes down to room temperature, and then afterwards can be consumed for up to a week to 10 days. Now this tea, as you can see, turns out a little bit bolder. We are going to use the same funnel, and this time we just decided to put it into a pitcher and serve it from there. So if you wanted to do that, you can. Again, the water has come down, sat on the counter, and come down to room temperature. We're straining this out, and then you do want to store this in your refrigerator for up to 7 to 10 days just to consume. And that is the hot brew method. You can find all of our teas at www.av, as in Victor, teaco.com.